Dolly, the first clone lived in Rolling Institute, was SIP. Hermann Red is aimed with work on a static plant culture called tissue culture. The first people which got cloned at Roslin Institute in India was on SIP. The genetically engineered form of brinjal is BT brinjal, have been developed through objective of this is to make it more pest resistant. In 1943, Nobel Prize was given for Dozy and Dam for vitamin K. Blood group are discovered by Landsteiner. The first successful heart transplant in India was performed by Dr. Venugopal. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carlos Munoz. Father of green evolution in the world was called Norman E. Borlaug. The first genetically modified and commercial release plant in India is BT cotton. It is used in scientific test code investigation, DNA fingerprinting. The famous Dolly ship has come into existence as a result of cloning technology. Asia's first DNA bank has been established in Lucknow. A genetic engineering approach in DNA is inserted, removed, or replaced is genome editing. DNA test in crime investigation proves identification of criminal from biological evidences. Determining paternity is now possible by DNA investigation. Sweet is accepted as possible biological evidence in DNA investigation. The double helix form of DNA was composed by Watson and Crick. Painless needle ejector is bioinjector. The sugar present in DNA is called deoxyribonucleic. Biochip contains RNA, DNA, and protein. A recently developed technique to measure fetal growth is ultrasonic. Nuclear medicine are emerging as an effective tool of diagnostics and treatment in modern medicine. These are called radioisotopes. Used in genetic engineering, plasmid. Genome mapping related to gene detection. The technique of obtaining advanced information about genetic disease is called gene technology. The codon that start protein synthesis is called AUG. The world level program Human Genome Project is related to identification of human genes and their sequences. The first crime was solved in England using DNA fingerprinting was 1983. The name of first clone buffalo is Garima 2. The name of first clone camel is Injaz. The first transgenic plant was called tobacco. The process of obtaining image of different part of body using a weak magnetic field inside the body is called MRI scan. The name of vaccines COVID-19 Oxford and Janssen. Genetic revolution include genetic engineering. Biotechnology means use of living organism in industrial process. The genetic modified GM crop that had been given permission to legally cultivate is called BT cotton. Genetically modified brinjal has been developed. Purpose क्या है इसको make pest resistant. Reproducing new plants through cell instead of vegetative part of seed is called